Are you slowly losing yourself to the 9 to 5 grind? Guys, the daily grind is more than just exhausting. Yes, it can be soul crushing for a lot of people. If you feel like you're losing touch with who you really are, guys, working from home might just be your way to reclaim your life. If you're looking for a legitimate and efficient way to make money online, guys, I've got you guys covered and I'm getting right into it. So in today's video, I'm just going to share with you apps that pay you, to shop. The first one on my list is Pay. Yes, so Pay is a reliable platform that allows you to earn money from the comfort of your home. One of the best things that I love about Pay is their high acceptance for surveys. You will have access to a large number of surveys, so you can earn money on a regular basis. Guys, Pay pays well too, and they offer a range of payment options which include PayPal, Amazon vouchers, and so much more. Guys, in addition to surveys, Pay offers other ways to make money, like completing offers and inviting your friends. You can also participate in daily polls and get rewarded for sharing your opinions. Pay is a safe and secure platform that ensures your privacy and protects your personal information. The platform also offers excellent customer support, so if you have any questions or issues, you can always contact their support team. Overall, Pay is a great way to earn money online, and its high acceptance rate for surveys and other earning options actually makes it reliable and efficient. It makes it an efficient platform to use. So guys, if you're looking for a legitimate way to make money from home, give Pay a try. Yes, I've personally used Pay before, and guess what? I made a couple of hundreds of dollars. A couple of hundreds of dollars, yes, in a day. So please go ahead and check it out. Now guys, the next app on my list here is called Survey Junkie. Guys, on Survey Junkie, users have the opportunity to make money by participating in online surveys and providing valuable feedback to companies. I have used Survey Junkies before, and I accumulated, I think, about 49,742 points, which amounts to $497.42, and you can redeem your points. Yes, you can redeem it through PayPal or even gift card. So guys, if you're new to this channel, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and where in the world are you tuning in from, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and massive support to your girl. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. Yes, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you do the same thing, because I think Coty demands that we get to know each other. Yes, since you're new here. So guys, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. Make sure you introduce yourselves. I really want to know you for real. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you 3 weeks every week, so 3 videos every week. So make it a day to join me every single day on this channel. Tune in to watch these videos. Tune in to watch my videos, because yes, I've got something for you every single day. Without further ado, let's just get right back into business. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So guys, Fiverr is the next app, is the next website on my list, and I'm going to share with you exactly how to make money on Fiverr. Yes, Fiverr. Do you know that you can start a freelancing hustle? Yes, so you have to pick. Here is what you need to do. Go ahead and pick your expertise. So create a list of in-demand services, and I'll give you some examples. For example, maybe copywriting, video marketing, Facebook ads management, Shopify store creation, digital marketing, strategy. So go ahead and pick a single niche. Yes, it's very, very important. It's crucial, especially in the beginning. So let's say you're good at copywriting, create a Fiverr seller account and create a few gigs around copywriting. You can make gigs like, I'll write email copy for you, and I'll create sales copy, and I'll write landing page copy. I'll be your website content writer. I mean, something in that line, around that line. Before you create a gig, go to Fiverr search bar, enter your main keyword. Please note down the drop-down suggestions and use them in your gig title, description, and tag. Go ahead and create a simple and good-looking thumbnail for your gig with Canva. Go to canva.com. It's super easy and straightforward. Anyone can use it. So guys, once you have a few gigs, go ahead and start networking on social media. Join Facebook groups related to your industry and let people know how you can help them. Then go ahead and publish valuable posts with value. Create value. This will actually position you as an expert in your industry. You know what? Go ahead and start using Fiverr to make money today. Guys, the next apps on my list, I have 2 more, are QMe and Free Cash. They're actually both great sites, and they actually cash out instantly. I've personally made a couple of hundreds of dollars from them, and I also have apps that would pay you to sign up. Guys, as I mentioned earlier, guys, make sure that you consider leveraging your skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, because they offer diverse opportunities to earn money online. Go ahead and explore gigs that are aligned with your expertise, whether it's graphic design, coding, or writing. I mean, go ahead and look up innovative apps like TaskRabbit or GigWorks for local gigs. And that way you're able to minimize transportation costs. I believe that with determination and strategic use of these tools that I've shared with you in today's video, you can start earning money online efficiently while managing your expenses smartly. If you need to make money online quickly, just go ahead and try Fiverr or Upwork, because many people have earned money there by offering services like writing, graphic design, or helping people with tasks. Also go ahead and create a good profile that shows your skills and start applying for jobs, and you can start making money with no upfront costs. Guys, I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home using Fiverr, I'm telling you, and start to stay away from being broke. Like I always say, guys, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And yes, here is the juicy part. Do you know I have a giveaway for you guys? Sorry. This is for those of you that watch this video up till this point. I did not mention it in the beginning. So yes, I have a giveaway for you guys in today's video. We have finally launched our Telegram community. So go ahead and add your friends into my Telegram community. Add them into the Telegram community, 50 of your friends. Yes. And then you are going to win. I can select you, stand a chance to be selected for my $100 gifts, not gift card, $100 cash gifts. So I'm going to send it to you anywhere you are in the world. So yes, go ahead and start sharing the link. Copy my Telegram channel link to your friends. Copy it and then share with maybe your church groups, your mosque groups, your parappa members, your village members, your Facebook friends, your WhatsApp group. Just go ahead and share. Don't just dump the link. This is what you need to do. Also tell them, give them a hint of what to expect when they join my Telegram channel. Communicates the value that they should expect to get. Like, they will always get information on how to make money, various ways to make money, and of course I'll be doing giveaways in the group from time to time. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to my Patreon members. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. God bless you real good. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. If you know, you know. And that is it for today, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl Chassis. If you have any questions, don't forget, I am your host, your friend, your bestie. See this channel as a safe space. It is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. And yes, that is it, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Turn on the notification bell in case you have not, and do want to check out my previous videos and see how you can make money, good money, from the comfort of your home. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you all.